Hi, in this video I'll try to tell you something about a simple questions which are asked in Arabic as well as in Russian. In English we say this, but in Arabic we say haza, and in Russian we say ita. And in English when we want to ask something we say what is this or what. In Arabic that is ma haza, and in Russian it is shito ita. Now there are two things. One is that, for example, when we ask about a human being having a life, for that we use in Arabic man haza, and in Russian we use kito, it's k, kito ita. In English we use who. So when we are asking about a thing, about a place, about something which is having no life, we ask the question with what, we start the question with what, and in Arabic ma haza, and in Russian shito eta, excuse me. But when we ask about a human being, about the thing which is having life, especially a human being, in English we ask who is he, who is this, man haza, in Arabic man, and in Russian kito eta. Let's have some words, vocabulary, so that these are simple words, vocabulary, to enrich our vocabulary. In English it's book, pen, pencil, bag, magazine, garden, and student. In Arabic for book we are having kitabun, for pen qalamun, for pencil qalamur rasas, for bag mehfaza, for magazine mujalla, for garden hadika, and for student tilmid. Likewise in Russia, for book we are having kniga, it's N in Russia, kniga, and for pen it's ruchka, it's R in Russia, and it's cha, ruchka. And for pencil the word is karandash, for bag it is bumajnik, it's N in Russia, bumajnik. And for magazine it is journal, it's R ir. Here it is journal. And for garden in Russia it is sad. For student it is student. Let's have some sentences, simple sentences in Russian as well as in English and in Arabic. In English we are having this is a student. Is this a student? Yes, this is a student. It may be he is a student. Is he a student? Yes, he is a student. Excuse me. In Arabic, haza tilmizun. Tilmiz for student. It's written here, vocabulary. And when we want to ask about him, hal haza tilmiz, or we say man haza. Man for human being. Man haza, or hal haza tilmiz. And in answer, if it is yes, nam is for yes, nam haza tilmiz. Now coming toward the Russian, in Russian ita student, ita this, ita student, this is student, ita student, this is a student. And it's a student, just with expression we ask a question, it's a student. Da means yes, it's a student, yes, this is a student. Let's have some more sentences. Now, English, what is this, or who is this? Now, what for the thing, who for the human being. This is a book. What is this? This is a book, a thing. Who is this? This is a doctor. Or who is he? He is a doctor. In Arabic, it will be ma haza, ma for the question, ma haza, and for those which are having no life, ma haza for table, for chair, and for pen, etc., etc. Man haza, man is for those human being, etc. When you ask about human being or about a thing having life other than trees and such thing else, so we ask with man haza, and its answer is haza kitabun, means this is a book, haza tabibun, this is a doctor. But if it is lady doctor, then we use here hazihi instead of haza. In Russian it will be что это. Что это, what is this? For having a thing which is having no life, kito eta. For that which is having life, kito, who is this? Man haza. The answer will be kniga. Kniga means book. This is a book. And it watch. This is a doctor. Having more characters. What's this? This is a table. What's? And in Arabic, ma haza. Because table is having no life, therefore we have asked the question. We have started the question with ma. Ma hazihi. And because here is ta, so hazihi tawila. And likewise shitoeta, eta stool. In Russian, table is called stool. Having more characters about this. Who is this mean for asking for a man, woman, and having a life? This is a student. The answer is this is a student. In Arabic it will be man haza. Instead of ma, we wrote here man. We started the sentences with man with the question mark. Man haza. Who is this? Haza tilmiz. This is a student. In Russian it will be for shito it is kito. Start with ka. Kito eta. Who is this? It's a student. This is a student. Having further characters to likewise here a sentence. He is a doctor. Okay. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is a doctor. In Arabic it will be huwa tabib or haza tabibun. Sometimes it is called doctor. Huwa daktur. Okay. If you want to ask a question about him, hal huwa tabib? Man haza. So the answer will be naam huwa tabib. Naam for yes. Naam huwa tabib. Yes, he is a doctor. In Russian it will be on Raj. Raj for doctor. On for he. On he and ana for she. Ani for we. And we will be having another separate video about these. On Raj, he is a doctor. On Raj, just with expression we ask a question. On Raj, is he a doctor? And the answer is da. On Raj. Yes, he is a doctor. Yes. Next sentence is, what's this? Now we are asking about a thing. Okay. The answer is, this is a lamb. In Arabic it will be mahaza. It's not man. Man is used for human being, for a thing having life, but a thing having no life we use ma. Mahaza. The answer is haza misbahun. For lamb in Arabic the word is misbah. And in Russian что это? Shito. Shto for a thing. Что это? The answer is это lampa. Lampa. It's pa in Russian. It lampa. Yes. Is this a book? Asking a question? No, this is not a book. This is a lamp. The answer is in negation. Look here. Hal haza kitab? The answer, la ma haza kitab. Here the point comes. Here is ma, here is ma. This ma is for asking a question, but here this ma is for negation. Ma, no. La, this is not. Ma haza kitab. So ma is used for asking a question when it comes in the beginning. Ma haza, what is this? But when it is in the middle, la ma haza kitab. No, this is not a book. Here ma is for negation, for negative. Haza misbahun. This is a lamp. Misbah for lamp. In Russian it will be это книга with expression. Это книга. Yes, the answer нет. Нет. It's in. Нет. No. Это не книга. Не, not. It's not a book. Это lampa. It's a lamp. Thank you very much.